Okay, for auto financing car dealers, we've got wireless tracking. Our battery trackers are incredibly innovative. We're the market leaders in this. We have a 2-year and we have a 5-year, and they're actually kind of the same price. The 2 years are great for short-term loans, title loans, even if it's first, second, third, fourth payment defaults. These are really great. But for longer term loans, we're one of the few people that have a 5-year true battery tracker. You can see the size of this. So any loans that are 3-4 years, what these will do is update daily on their own, and then they can go into what we call aggressive mode. And that would be the event of a theft, recovery, repossession, where you'd send a signal to the device and then it would track in real time. These still have impound alerts. These are becoming our best sellers. These are also awesome for secondary units. So if you go hardwired and you want to back up because you're worried about it being taken, these are great to put in. They're also great, especially with tax time. Somebody might come in with a very large down payment and you don't want to lose this deal, but nobody's there to wire the tracker and you're worried they might leave. You can just throw one of these in short term. If you have any questions, let us know. We can discuss, walk you through our battery GPS technology.
Visit gpsandtrack.com or call Mike at 480-292-9579 to protect your vehicle today.